All right, guys, we have quality reaction.
Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. Getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, and it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me. Never, never, never enough for me. For me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights.
I'm having a hard time pausing it because it's the performance is rolling along so well. But I didn't want to wait till the very end to give all my thoughts, so I just I had to find a place. Just from listening, it's very cool how calculated what she's doing on the note. Like, it's really weaving an emotional story, and just the way she's using her voice on different notes, like flipping from her chest voice to her head voice. And then it grew in it was like flipping from her chest to her head voice, which was really soft and pretty. And then it kind of ramped up. So it was all like a mix, which really built up the emotion. Just her performance. It's crazy how she can just sit there in this studio and convey this kind of emotion without a band behind her or being on stage and seeing people. It's I think it's really cool how much control she has over her voice and how she's utilizing that on purpose to weave this emotional story. She has a gorgeous voice. Also, she's physically gorgeous.
Towers of gold are still too little. These hands can hold the world, and it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me. Never, never, never enough. Never, never, never enough. Never, never, never enough for me. For me, for me.
That was gorgeous. That was gorgeous. I always, so weird. I always feel like I feel like getting emotional. Music makes me feel things. Her voice was incredible. I loved her voice.